boys, girls. Welcome to Growing Guitar. Another great song from Luke Combs, Giving Her Away. This is the studio version. It's very stripped down. He sings there, and yes, of course, guitar friendly like always from Luke. Let's go into it. Cape on second, absolute best scenario for us. With that, 5 easy chords. Let's go into it like we usually do. Let's start with D, okay? D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next, we have this A C chord. That means it's an A in the bottom there, but we also got this C sharp note as a bridge into the next chord. So what you're gonna do here, place the index finger on the second fret as a bar. And you need to bar like 4 strings from bottom up like this. Then you need to add fourth frets on this A string. That is what you're gonna do. So this added note here, that's a C sharp. All right, let's catch the words again. Let's go into the next chord, B minor. And we have another bar here on the second fret. This time you need to bar 5 strings from bottom up. Okay. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Yes, next chord will be G, as in Gordon. Let's go with 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally, we have the A, okay? And it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Let's learn the strumming pattern now. To begin with, we have D as the first chord. So one round goes like this. It's first 3 downs, and then down up. Couple rounds. That's what we're gonna use, but in this first part of the song, the first verse and also the first pre-chorus, they actually play just 1 down per chord. You can go with the strumming pattern. I'm gonna give you amounts of strumming rounds for each and every chord so you understand how long the pauses will be if you choose to go with only 1 down per chord as they do here in this song. But I'm gonna teach you how to play the strumming throughout the song, okay? So we're gonna start with verse 1, and you're gonna play D 2 string rounds, A C 2, B minor 2, and G 2. That will be 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So D2, AC2, B minor 2, and G2. 2 rounds of that, and if you choose to go with 1 down, then you know where the switches will be, the timing of them, and you know how to play the 1 down, okay? Something like this. Maybe a little bit slower, not sure. Anyway, let's move on. First pre-chorus at 28 seconds in. You're gonna play A2, G2, then A2, and G 1 down with a pause. Very simple. A, 2 and G, as if you would play 2 string rounds, but you should just play 1 down, pause the length of it as you would play 2, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. That starts about 42 seconds in. You're gonna start to play D2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. Play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. So imagine this was the second round, and then you're gonna end with B minor 2, A2, then G2 plus 1 extra down and the pause. And that is the end of this chorus. It goes like this. And that's the end of the first round. So Into second round now, guys. Second verse played exactly the same as the first one, only for one round though, so it's half as long as the first. Then comes the second pre-chorus, played exactly the same as the first one, and then comes the second chorus, again just repetition from all we learned so far. So that's the second round. And then after that comes the bridge part, about 2 minutes and 33 seconds in. What you're going to play now is D2, A2, B minor 2, and G, 1 down plus a pause. We don't have to play through that, I think you understand. And then we're going to jump back into the final parts of the song. That's the third chorus. And you're going to play exactly the same as in the previous choruses. And after you're finished with that G2 in the end there, you're going to end with 1 down on that beautiful D chord. Something like that. And you know what? You have performed, played, or just tasted Luke Combs, Giving Her Away. Great song. So grab a guitar if you love this song. It's very guitar friendly. 5 chords. Cape on. Let's rock. Thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.